All right, everybody. Just like I said, this is phase 3. I'm gonna start in the back. This is some good, smell good. This is the room y'all saw previously. Now, mind you, I only clean the house. I don't paint it. You know the before pictures. They gotta do their own little work. So as you can see, this was, it was what it was. I come in, I execute the clean. And then, they bring in someone else, to come in and remodel or whatever they do. I just come in and I remove it. I come in and do, I'm called the cleaner. You ever seen the movie called The Cleaner? That's me. This is the bathroom, the cabinets, good under there. They gotta paint that, but, everything is good. This is shower, do what you could do. With what you're working with. The walls, the mold is gone. Toilet, always get the size of it. You know what I mean? Then the neck, we call it the neck. So that's that room. Fam, back there. Ceiling fans, your lights, the flooring. Scrape up all that candy. They had mad candy in here. We go journey back in this other room. You get what you can get. It's a house. So somebody else gotta come in. Get all that up, the painter. This is a nasty house, dude. So they sent us in here to pull out, what can't be seen. It's the same, remember that? All that stuff down there. Of course the cabinets. You get your microwaves. Some of the stuff was on the ceiling, that's grease from cooking. Remember your stove? Remember how dirty that was? It's already cracked, but you only can do what you could do. And that's the inside of it. It is what it is, fam. It's the bottom. Then I had got behind that. It was mad garbage. Only reason why I didn't mop this yet, so I'm heading out the door. This is your refrigerator. Booyah! Yeah, boy. That's the fridge. You know what I'm saying? Remember how that was looking? Yeah. Look at it now. Spray some of this good stuff. And then this is the freezer. Fam, what I use, because of the coronavirus, I believe, for me, I'm a Christian. I believe that I'm not going to get too religious with you, as the Egyptian days, Christ is soon to come. So, they released the death angel, and then the firstborn and all that got killed. So, I'm not going to get into the type of scenario, those of you who read the Bible, you know what's going on. Jesus Christ is soon to come. But what I use pure bleach. I'm covered by the blood of Jesus first and more. And then I clean with a lot of bleach, real bleach, not that watered down. I'm not gonna advertise some things, and I hope I don't show y'all this and then y'all go buy it. But this is really what I get right here, man. And it's real thick. And I put it in my spray bottle and I dilute it with a little water. And I'm gonna show you how it come out. Man, this stuff is so thick, it's concentrated that it'll, I put some right there, look at that, But it comes out like a real thick paste. I'm gonna put it right here. Watch how thick that come out. I'm gonna just drop a little bit, make it look. See how thick that is? It's not, look at it running. It's like a stick, like syrup. But it's very thick and it's concentrated. So you want that. It kills a lot of germs. I put it on the floor then. I get my little control mop because I can control how much water I want on the floor. And then I do my thing, fam. So, this is what Spotless Cleaning do. Here at Spotless Cleaning 7, LLC, I use a little bit of that. I might advertise that too. That makes it smell good. But it's not like a real good, thorough, ghetto project type cleaning that really pops it off in the love of God and what you do. And then you never could go wrong, But here at Spotless Cleaning 7, this is what we do. Nasty, filthy, dirty houses, family. Look at the end. Then as I make my way out the door, of course, I got to take all that with me too. But, that'll be 4 when I leave out. All right, God bless, peace, and Jesus love you.